What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to search by font in Microsoft Word and also replace the font of certain blocks of text with another font. So it's very easy. What we're going to want to do is go to the Home tab up here and then look for the little magnifying glass and then click on the drop down under Find and click on Advanced Find. So here I'm going to click on No Formatting just so we get it back to normal. Here, what you'll probably see is something that looks like this. So click on More. Then what we're going to want to do is give this find parameter a format. So let's look for a certain font. And the font we're looking for, I have this Algerian font, this weird looking one here. So let's do that. Algerian. I can just type it in. Yeah, let's just do that. I'm gonna click OK. And now if I do find next, let's start from the start of the document here. So you can see it's highlighting it right now. So if I do find next, oh, it's at the bottom here. Okay, so now it finds it here, and we'll do find next. And it'll find it up here at the start. So let's say we want to change this to another font, and we want to change both of them at the same time, or all of the occurrences of this font in this document. What you'd want to do is click on Replace here, and then click on the Replace tool, and then click on Format. Actually, click on No Formatting first to make sure you clear it, but then give it another font. So click on Format, and then let's do something like Bell. Let's do this one. And now we can do replace to do one at a time, or we can do replace all to change all of the occurrences of this font in Microsoft Word at once. So let's just do replace all. As you can see, it's changed the font to something else. Now, if you want to search for it, we can do that. Let's do that font again so we can find it. And now it's these two again. It's been changed. Let's say we want to do one at a time. Well, as you can see, it's already highlighted, right? You can just go up here and just change the font like this too if you want. So that's two ways of how to search by font and change the font, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, drop any questions you got in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.